Get brewing with your KitchenAid Precision Press Coffee Maker. Start by cleaning all parts. Press the power button and wait for the display to read 0 grams and 0 minutes. Grind beans using a coarse grind. Scoop grounds into the carafe. The scale will weigh the coffee automatically. Check the dosage chart included in your use and care guide for measurements. 46 grams of coffee grounds to brew 5 cups is a great start. If you prefer to measure in ounces, press and hold the scale button for 3 seconds. Once the grounds have been added, press the scale button to tare your measurement and slowly pour hot water into the carafe. Fill according to your desired number of cups. The scale will automatically measure the water for you. Press the timer button and gently stir the coffee back and forth to break the crust.